Where did Terah live before his sons came to Canaan? The city of Chaldeans. Where did Abraham first build the altar? In Canaan. Abraham went to which country because of drought in Canaan? Egypt. Abraham and Lot why did not live together? Because their property was too vast for them to live together. Where did Abraham and Lot live after their separation? Abraham in Canaan, Lot near Sodom. Where were the trees of Mamre? Hebron. Where did Abraham encounter Melchizedek? In the valley of Shaveh. Who is Melchizedek? Priest of God. What did Melchizedek bless Abraham with? May God bless you. How much did Abraham give to Melchizedek? Abraham gave to tithe. Whom did Abraham initially believe would inherit his property? Eliezer. Which king suggested to Abraham, "Give me the people and take the property for yourself"? The king of Sodom. Who received the forewarning that their descendants would face 400 years of servitude? Abraham. Which generation came back to Canaan from Egypt? Fourth generation. Who was the Egyptian maid servant of Sarai? Hagar. Name the woman who first heard a voice of angel of the God. Hagar. Where did angel of the God speak to Hagar? Be Lahai Roy. Which person was first named before birth? Ishmael. Who was known a wild donkey of a man? Ishmael. How old was Abraham when Hagar bore Ishmael? 86 years. At what age was Abram's name changed to Abraham? 99 years. Who were the father and son circumcised on the same day? Abraham and Ishmael. What is the lowest number of righteous persons mentioned by Abraham for Sodom? 10. What is the highest number of righteous people mentioned by Abraham who prayed for Sodom? 50 people. Whom did God remember when he destroyed the cities of Sodom and Gomorrah? Abraham. Who had the first dream in the Bible? Abimelech. Where did Lot come from? Sodom, Joar. Who was the father of Moabites? Moab. Who was the father of Ammonites? Ben-Ammi. Abraham told to which king for the second time that Sarah was his sister? Abimelech. Who was the king of Gerar? Abimelech. Who was the first dream described in the Bible? Abimelech. Which king told to Abraham, "Choose any place you like to live in my country"? Abimelech.